Class, thank you for quickly and quietly getting to your groups. Can anyone tell me the meaning of word recognition? Mark, you have your hand up, but you tell me what it is. Great job, Mark. Word recognition is being able to identify the word's pronunciation and knowing the meaning. Here's a picture I want everybody to look at. Now close your eyes, look at the picture first. Close your eyes and think of some words that might describe this picture. Jill, close your eyes. Alright, go ahead and open your eyes. What are some of the words that you think of that can describe this picture? Just give me one word. Give me one word. Alright. Dog. Water. Boat. Very good. I see a dog. Nope, upside down. Dog, water, and boat. Now, let's take these words, dog, water, and boat, and write a sentence using them describing this picture. Alright, let's see some of the sentences you come up with. Alright, Group A. Let's see your sentence. Alright, your sentence. There was a dog who had a boat. There was a dog who had a boat. Alright, we use dog and water in that one. Who else has a sentence? Alright, Group C. Okay, Group C, your sentence is, the dog can float the boat on the water. The dog can float the boat on water. Alright, good job, everybody. Now, I'm going to give you 6 words you may not know the meaning of. I will give you some pictures from a story that I'm going to read later on that might help you identify or predict the meaning of these words. Now, I want you to talk among yourselves in your group and make predictions about the meanings using these pictures. Now, think about the talks maybe around the dinner table of your parents or somewhere else you might have been where you've heard these words. On your paper, I want you to write at least 3 sentences using these words. Now, Larry, if you'll come up and help me pass out this word grid, I appreciate it. Thank you. Alright, we have a word grid. Now, I'm going to give you 6 words that I want you to write down on your word grid. Here are the 6 words. Switch. Repeat after me. Switch. S-W-I-T-C-H. Switch. Crumb. Repeat. Crumb. C-R-U-M-P. Crumb. Rail. Repeat. Rail. R-A-I-L. Rail. Alright. I have some pictures for you. And Jill, if you'll come up here and help me pass out the pictures and give this to each group. And I want you to look at these pictures. Study the details. Do you see some of the words in this story? What are the characters doing? Now, choose several of the words and make as many sentences as you can telling the story of this pictures. If you do not know the meaning, see if the picture helps you. Talk among your group again and see if anybody has heard these words before. Now let's start writing. Oh, this group's doing good. I see. Oh, I see you found the word switch in that picture. That's a great job. So now how do you figure that out? So, oh, the man's pulling on a lever there, and it's like a switch. Well, that's good. Good. Keep going at it. Oh, let's see this group. Oh, they're doing good. Now, how'd you figure out that was a rail? Oh, you've heard your parents talking about that. I see. Talking about railroad tracks, and then you saw the ant walking on the rail. Oh, you figured it out. Great job. Well, I see your groups have been doing well, and we all work together in our groups, and I'm proud of it. All right, now, okay, everybody, eyes on me, and let's talk about what we've been doing. Did anyone find any meanings? Well, yeah, Deb, you have your hand up. That's right. Rail is what a train rides on. What group did 3 or more sentences? Great job, y'all did. That's great. Now, what are some of the meanings, or what did we predict the words meant? Fantastic job, everyone. Now, everyone has their sentences in front of them. I'm going to read the story, and if we're going to see if your predictions or meaning of the words are correct. I saw an ant on the railroad. All right, let's see about this story here. All right. Now, this little ant was in search of a snack. Snack. What is a snack? Let's see. They got a picture of him, this man with a lunch. Snack. We've heard that word before. Oh, we've heard it here at school. Snack time, snack. So he's in a snack, huh? An eastbound ant. Wow, way out in the horizon. On a westbound track. Okay, well, some of our groups figured out these were railroad tracks. Looking for a crumb. Crumb! That's one of our words, crumb. So let's think. He's in search of a snack. He's on a track looking for a crumb. I wonder what crumb could be. Crumb. Oh! That's something, when you're eating dinner, you got your breadcrumbs all over yourself. The crumbs are parts of the food. All right, well, that's good. We figured that one out. Or a nut to crack. On the shiny, bright rail. Rail? That's one of our words. So rail. See, Group C, when the Group C that figured that one, what a rail is, that was what the ant was walking on. Rail of a railroad track. Ah, I got it, yes. And who am I? I am Switchman Jack. Switchman. Switch. Oh, that's one of the words. Switch. Well, that's a switchman. So he's a switchman. Pretty neat. Just working my shift in the switchman's shack. Must be his little shack there. I switch. Switch. Another one of our words. Switch. I wonder what that means. The trains from track to track. I switched the trains from track to track. Now what? He's switching the train. Oh, there's different tracks. And one of y'all pointed out that was a switch. So he changes a train from one track to another, so he switches them. Oh, I get it. As east goes west and forth goes back. Wasn't that a great story? Well, let's share some of your stories and sentences, your word meanings with the class. Now, what group would like to go first? Very good. Well, guys, it looks like you all learned something from this. And it sounds like you got some of your predictions came true, some of your meanings were correct. All right, class. We all know that what the 6 words mean now. I want you to go back to your individual desk. Hold on, not now. Wait till I finish with the instructions. Go back to your desk and write the 6 words and their meanings. I want you to use them in 6 different sentences. This way that I will know that you have learned what these 6 words are and got something from today's class. Alright guys, let's get up from our groups, let's go to our seats, and let's start working.